guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of persons have been asking what I look like, so I added a picture to my new video, and I'll do that more often. So today I'll be preparing a Jamaican meal, which is calallo. This is my favorite part of summer. Not the heat, but to be able to get farm-grown calallo. So I'll be taking you through a quick video from start to finish how I prepare my calallo, and I'll be doing this with okra and carrots. So I received the calallo in bulk, and I take the little skins off, wash, store in my Ziploc bag. Here I'm about ready to cook. So I use a half teaspoon olive oil it is for cooking. And I pour this in at separate times. I don't pour everything in at once. So I make 2 or 3 pours in the pot. So here you can see I'm heating my pot, and I'm adding my seasonings, which consists of onions, bell pepper, garlic, tomato, and I'm frying this in the pan before I add my calallo. And this is an all-time Jamaican favorite, which is more like American kale. Yes, calallo. So this is for my Jamaican people. Any American who subscribe might not know this, but it's a vegetable that grows in Jamaica. So here in the States, persons plant it, and I'm able to buy it in the summer only. It only grows in hot temperature. So once I fry my bell pepper, my onions, my garlic, it's now time for me to start adding the calallo seed. It's a green leafy vegetable. And I had to use my cutting board to cut it in those little pieces that you see I put in it, because if you saw earlier on a part of the video where it started, you can see it looks like bush. So I add it, and this doesn't take a lot of seasoning. I am not a cooker who uses salt in most of my meal, but in the calallo I'll be using a little hint of salt. Salt is not good. And to reduce hypertension, I stay away from salt. So here I'm using half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm adding here a hint of black pepper. Then I use a little Mrs. Dash herbs and spices just for flavor. And I also use a little Goya all-purpose. That is all the powdered seasoning I use on it, and I make sure to measure. Here I'm adding more calallo, and I would say the Ziploc bag would probably be maybe 4 cups of calallo, or 4 cups and a little. Salt is not good, and I don't have hypertension. It runs in my family, so I try to stay away from salt. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil butter to the calallo. Most of these seasonings that we buy here also, just like Jamaican seasonings, they are filled with salt. So you might just have to use more if you don't choose to use salt. So once I do this, I try to stir in everything to mix everything in. And when I am cooking my vegetables, I don't use water. Two, I don't cover the vegetable to steam. I allow the steam to go out. So I don't cover this. I watch it under medium heat and I continue to stir throughout the process to make sure it is not sticking. I did not use a lot of oil and I only used olive oil, a tiny amount of olive oil. I don't want my vegetable to be swimming in any oil. Here I'm adding green onions and thyme. Green onions, also known as escallion. I added it at the point where I felt like the vegetables started to saute. Then I will be adding my carrots. The okra was frozen, so that only needs to be warmed. I love my vegetables crunchy, so the carrots will not have to cook for too long. So here, once I add my carrots, then I add my okra. Then my meal is all done, ready to be served. It can be eaten that way for breakfast, brunch, dinner. It can be eaten with rice or any food of your choice. Jamaicans love to eat callallo with green bananas, boiled dumpling, or yam. This can also be eaten with bread or any other staple of your choice. Again, thank you for watching. Please make sure before you sign off of this video, you subscribe, because I know persons are watching and they're not subscribing. Please support me. I love what I do and I'm doing this to get it out in the public that with American seasonings we can also get the same Jamaican taste. Here I'm adding a little Scotch bonnet pepper. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. See you in my next video. Make sure you set your notification bell so you get notified when I post. Give this video a thumbs up, give a comment, and leave video ideas in the description box that you would like to see me prepare. Once I get to the goal where I'm able to do a live cooking with you all, then I will do that. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It's almost the end of it. You will see the vegetables tasted so crunchy, so scrumptious. The colors too for me. Look at it. Yellow, green, red, a little white. This is the bomb. Again, thank you for stopping by Shell's Island Flavor. Love you all. Spread love. Share my videos. Subscribe. See you soon. Bye.